Okay, the outside of this house is pretty much a mess. This is wood siding. A lot of it's gonna have to be repaired. There's wood rot all over the outside, eaves, soffits. It's gonna have to have a new garage door. This garage door is just ruined. You can see some of the issues, not to mention this wood siding is gonna have to be painted, and that's not gonna be cheap. You've also have some really bad windows that have broken seals throughout the house. Those are gonna have to be replaced. Like I said, wood rot galore. Unfortunately, the roof is the original, and like other roofs here in our area, it's going to have to be replaced. Potential buyers are not going to be able to get homeowners insurance. Not to mention, you're going to have a new AC. I'm pretty sure this one's old. It's shot. Especially if they're going to rehab. This house is only about 1,200 something square feet living size, and it has a 1-car garage. It's not that big of a house, but it's going to be a good sized project, especially once you see the inside. But just the outside alone, the wood rot, the eaves, the roof, the siding, painting the siding, all that is going to add up, and it's going to take some time. Not something else. The home does have a sprinkler system, so there's something else they're going to be getting a bid on. This house is really the original, so it's dated. Not to mention it's just been beat up. So of course we're going to have all new interior paint. We're going to replace some doors. I'll come back to the kitchen. Yeah, that garage door is shot. You got holes in the sheetrock in here. The hot water tank's also over 15 years of age, so it's gonna have to be replaced. I don't know what they got going on with this plumbing, but it's all gonna have to be checked out. Okay, so here's your 1-car garage. Now, the kitchen's gonna have to have a rehab too. I mean, it's gonna have to have all new appliances, faucet. Actually, the faucet might be the only thing in here that's worth it too. No, it's all rusted up. Basically, all this is going to be replaced. These cabinets might be salvageable, but I don't know. For the space and for not being that much of the counters, it's probably not that expensive just to replace and redo the whole thing. So you do have a wood burning fireplace. Like this room's going to be the same thing. It's going to be some window issues, all new paint, electrical receptacle covers, outlets that can be replaced. I mean, the whole thing needs painting. The ceiling is so dirty. Yeah, this flooring's gonna have to be replaced. I was hoping it could get by with it, but I don't think so. So, like, your bedrooms are just typical. They're gonna need paint. You need some closet organizers. I mean, not bad, it just needs paint. There's some moisture and mold issues, so that's gonna have to be cut out and fixed. I mean, this guest bath is not that bad. Unfortunately, it's got really bad tile. And here's your laundry room. Right here, walking into the master bedroom. I kind of like that, actually. And they go on too far to do your laundry. What I don't like about this room is this bathroom right here. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know if you could even build anything to kind of offset this some, but whatever. You got a stand-up shower only in the master bathroom. There's actually not 2 toilets in here. There's 1 toilet and 1 extra. Why don't they have one sitting in here? I don't know if they were going to replace it or what, but It's not 2 bathrooms. That's kind of funny. First, that's what I thought it was, and I'm like, what in the heck are these people doing? Well, that's really it. I mean, it's a total rehab job they want to do, and this is something I know we're going to be seeing more and more of, especially, you know, down the road, as long as these values keep, you know, just skyrocketing in our area. And right now they are. There's a house right down the street from here. I mean, right down the street. It is a brick home, so, I mean, but not too far off the square footage. I think it's about 1,400 square feet. The home had 30 offers. 30 offers. So that's why the bank's looking at rehabbing it, because they can actually get more money in return back to them by fixing this one up and selling it for full market value instead of selling it as a fixer-upper. So we'll see how long it takes them to get the bids and get the work done. That could be a lengthy project.